Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Leetcode problem number 349, intersection of two arrays. It's considered an easy problem. I'm going to be solving it with JavaScript. Instructions are given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2. Return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must be unique, and you may return the result in any order. Let's look at this intersection. If you hover over it, the intersection of two arrays is defined as the set of elements that are present in both arrays. So that's really important there. If you don't read that before trying to solve this, you're going to have some problems. So what does that mean? So basically, it's all we're doing is we're checking to see what numbers are in both arrays, right? So we look at these two arrays, we see a 2 in both arrays, our output's going to be 2. Now there's two 2's in both arrays, but it says each element in the result array must be unique, so we only return 1, right? So we look at this example here, both arrays have a 4 and a 9 in it, we only want one of them, so we return 9 and 4, or 4 and 9, doesn't matter because the result can be in any order. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab that and move over to CodePen. I like to solve things here so I can see what's happening with my code as I type it. It helps me understand things a little bit more. Okay, let's create our function. And for now, we're just going to return nums1. And let's log into the console. Cool. Okay. So the way that I did this is basically we're just going to loop through whatever the shorter array is, right? And we're going to see, okay, is 4 in well, we're going to, here, I'll just kind of do this as we go. We're going to create a result variable, set it to an empty array. And then as we loop through, we're going to say is 4 in nums2. It is, so we push it in a result. We're going to check to see if 9 is in nums2. It is, we push in result. Is 5 in nums2? It isn't, so we don't. The other thing we're going to check to see is this number already in result? If it is, we're not going to push it because we can only have unique numbers like in this example here, right? So we would be looping through nums2 here. We would say, okay, is 2 in the result array? No, it's not. Is 2 in nums1? It is, so we push it in the result, and then we come to here and we say, is 2 in the result array? Well, it is, and then we just stop there. Okay, so pretty simple. So what I did is I created two for loops preceded by an if statement, right? So the if statement is going to check to see which array is longer, right? So we're going to say if nums1, if nums1.length is greater than nums2.length, we're going to do a for loop, right? And so we're going to loop through nums2 because it's the shorter array. So we say so we say let I equal 0. I is less than nums2 dot length. We increment I. And then here we just have another if statement. We say if nums1 includes nums2 at I, right? So if this number is present in this array and result dot includes nums2 at I, if that equals false, right? So if this number does not exist in result and it does exist in nums2, wait a minute, hold on. Yeah, this is all correct. Okay, cool. I should have done it the other way, but that's okay. We result dot push nums2 at I. Cool. And then we just need to return result, right? Now, I should have done this the other way because nums1 is larger than nums2. So we're not going to see anything yet because it doesn't even reach this for loop, right? We can, just real quick to make sure this is working, I'm going to switch these. And now we should see 4 and 9. And we do. Cool. Okay. And then we just need to copy all this code. And for all the 1s, we need to switch it to 2. And all the 2s, we need to switch it to 1. And that way we have both scenarios, right? And now we should see 4 and 9. And we do. Cool. All right, so that's all we need to do. Actually, I'm lying. There's one more thing we need to do, but I kind of want you to see the submission first, and then the problem will reveal itself. We can fix that when we get to it. Okay, let's go ahead and test it. Passes both the test cases. Let's submit. Cool. And we have a problem. We're not passing for the tests. So we have nums1 and nums1. Expected 1, we get nothing. So the reason for that is we didn't put into this if statement the situation where nums1 would equal the nums1 length would equal nums2 length, right? So we can put that in either of these. It doesn't really matter because the code is going to execute the same. So I'm just going to copy this and put an or statement here, and then we can just here put equals, and now we should get 1, and we do, and that'll solve it. So let's grab this little snippet here. We put that here. All right, great. And let's submit. Ooh, my code was faster last time. It works, but I don't like how slow that is. Is it because of my internet connection? Whoops, I'm sorry, wrong button. Submit it one more time. Oh well. Well, cool. Hopefully you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please like it. If anybody wants to leave a different solution in the comments, I'd love to see it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you again real soon.